Okay, so we're just going to wrap it up now with the final. Tell us a bit about the final bits and pieces you actually added.
Right, so you probably remember that I was at a stage where I was drawing in, and so I've just continued to draw in. I've put more people in, or I've made some people more obvious. I've added a bit to the cars. I decided that there was a big empty space down here, so I actually painted the road in a bit more, and I put a woman walking her dog. There seem to be a lot of those in New York. And I just emphasised trees, and perhaps a little bit more colour, and the traffic light system. So I didn't do a whole lot, but probably used my pen a bit more and just emphasised.
I think it's come up fantastic, Chris, and yeah, good example of how you actually go about it.
So that's New York. That was actually down in the village end, which was fun.
Great.
Yes.
And I think you've got a few reference books too that you love to use.
Well, these I've purchased this one from England. It's a fellow called Phil Dean. He's the urban sketcher on Instagram, and I follow him. But he's put out this book, and it's really useful. He talks about and shows you how to draw, how he starts. He does a lot of his with ink, with an ink pen, but he also does some colouring. And he has a different system to me, but you might find that really useful.
Oh, nice.
So it's called, it's called Urban Drawing by Phil Dean, and it's in the Tate series. And this little booklet was put out by an artist from this area, Jan Ray, called Travel Sketches, and she's just got some delightful sketches that I think most of them were done in Mexico, or at least in South America. So that's fun too.
Some great examples of other people's travel diaries, yep,
Yes.
And different ways of going about it.
Yes. So we all do different things, but it's fun to do. And so what we would like to say to you, our audience, and we're very appreciative, we're actually up to 101 subscribers now. Yay! Please like our videos. Please share our videos if you'd like to. Please give us feedback. We'd like to know what it is that you like about them, maybe what you don't like. We do wonder whether we actually do some things take too long over them. So we'd like feedback on that. And just keep watching, please.
Yep, that'd be great.
Thank you.